Stan Gibilisco here. I'd just like to give you a little insight into what supreme cosmic pessimism can actually be like. Supreme cosmic pessimism. I have it, and I'd like to share it with you so that maybe I can darken down your day just a wee bit, or lighten it up, depending upon your degree of cosmic pessimism. Today is the coldest day of the winter season here so far in the black holes of Dakota Territory. On the way down, my car thermometer said 10 below zero Fahrenheit. And a lot of you have had temperatures far colder than that, I realize. Wind chills minus 40 thereabouts. On the way down to what? Well, I had to pay a water and sewer bill. That all went smoothly, but I noticed I was running low on cash. So I went to the bank to withdraw some cash to make sure I have enough groceries, enough money to buy groceries, etc., etc. And I went to the teller. I always go directly to a person. I used my debit card, but I went to a person, not a machine, whenever possible. Their computers were slow. This morning they said they were completely down. I guess I was slow, the computers were slow, so we pretty much matched speeds. But things got done. Someone came and signed off on the thing and bypassed the computer. Get this, a human being actually bypassed a slow computer, was able to overcome that problem in short order. When we have 10G technology, I suspect perhaps it'll be the computer that slows us down or speeds us up when we're going too fast or slow for it. But that time is not yet. So far, so good today, cold or not. Haven't slipping and fallen yet. Managed to shovel the driveway this morning without slipping and falling. It was 15 below zero up here at my house. I went out there at 6 o'clock in the morning and shoveled that driveway to the bare concrete without slipping and falling and without freezing to death. So that was good enough. Good day so far. How could it be? And then I went and got a prescription filled, no hitches there, with my Medicare Blue prescription plan from, I forget which company it is now, which supplemental insurance company. My total payment for a prescription that normally would have cost $100 or $200, $3. Medicare plus supplement insurance took care of practically everything. So that went so smoothly, took almost no time at all. They had it all ready for me. Wow, this is really great. This is really great. So I went to the post office, my final stop. I always call my P.O. box my fear box, because I wonder what kind of bad news is going to come my way through that box. What kind of notice, like who's after me, who's after me now, for what? What do they want? Well, I got two very important documents that I was quite anxious would not arrive in time or would not arrive at all. They both came. No bills of any fraudulent or unreasonable nature. In fact, the only bill was a bill I was hoping to get. It was for, I won't say what it was for, but it was something that if I didn't pay, I would lose the coverage. It was Medicare Part B, actually, was what it was. A quarterly premium. They don't give you a whole lot of notice, a whole lot of time to pay. So I was afraid that somebody had, you're always afraid of something. When you have supreme cosmic pessimism, you're always afraid of something. And then the fear did strike me. It had been such a good day up to that point. Things have gone so right today that a supreme cosmic pessimist knows that that is a surefire sign that something must be radically wrong. If things were perfectly right, then problems would have occurred in some of these transactions, or maybe all of them. I would have run into snags. Things would have fought me. I would have fallen on the driveway, or something bad would have happened, and nothing bad so far has happened to me today. And that in itself makes me tremendously afraid, because nothing to a supreme cosmic pessimist inspires more fear than when everything goes right, because you know that behind that curtain the devil is laughing. Stangibilisco's signing off. Until something happens, like a meteorite strikes or whatever, so long.